When thinking about welding, brazing, or torch cutting, you think about needing to protect your eyes, but it's actually your entire face that gets exposed to ultraviolet and infrared radiation. At Phillips Safety, we offer a comprehensive solution to this with our high-grade polycarbonate shade 3, 4, and 5 welding face shields. Let's quickly break down the specs and benefits. First, the 3 shade types. Each of them has a different luminance transmittance capability that allows only a certain amount of light to pass through when the torch is hot. Shade 3 allows about 14% of light to pass through, making it perfect for torch brazing or light soldering work. Shade 4 is a specialized middle step for high heat brazing or light oxygen cutting, where shade 3 might be a little bit too bright, but shade 5 is a little too dark. And then of course there's shade 5, which only allows about 2% of light to pass through, making it the industrial standard for medium to heavy oxygen cutting and gas welding. Regardless of the shade though, these provide 99.9% filtration against harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation, so it prevents things like welder's flash and long-term retinal damage. To be professional grade, these have to meet ANSI Z87.1 safety requirements. The plus is vital, indicating a high impact rating. In the lab, these shields are impact tested with a metal steel ball around 1/4 inch in size, and it's launched at them at 150 feet per second. Unlike regular shade safety glasses as well, these have a great wraparound shape to them. But you might be asking, why use something like this instead of shade glasses or just a regular welding helmet? Well, for starters, regular full welding helmets are typically too heavy, and they're more designed for the intense arc of MIG and TIG welding. For gas torching, a helmet is overkill, bulky, limits your peripheral vision, and can be pretty dang hot. A face shield is lightweight, breathable, and offers a wider field of view. And then for glasses, they leave your forehead, cheeks, and neck completely exposed to IR sunburn and flying sparks. Whereas the shield gives you the same comfort as the glasses, but the coverage of a full helmet. At Phillips Safety, we use high purity, thick polycarbonate that maintains consistent optical density across the entire curve of the shield, avoiding waves or distortion that cheaper shields can generate. Don't settle for a shield or shade that doesn't match your needs. Get the perfect protection that you need for your application today at phillips-safety.com.